I'm the late friend right now. I am the late friend right now. My best friend started her makeup and I'm here. I came out of the shower not too long ago. I haven't cleaned the bathroom and I need to get ready. I did my edges. I'm trying to preserve it because as soon as I walk out the door, it's going to be non-existent. It's gonna look like I didn't do anything. So yeah. Okay guys, we're getting ready. Turns out I'm not the late one.
What? Guys, I'm ready. The earring I'll drop out. You see, this is why
Not my lash.
and I'm the one that's not ready. She has to put on her eyelashes.
I had to do your hair.
No, she didn't, guys. I came here, I used my flexi rods.
Oh my god. Live.
Well guys, I'm kidding. The best friend came true, was able to kind of, if you guys know me, you guys are gonna get to know me. If you don't, this is for you.
Hold on, wait.
Bad girl Lex. My hair, guys, if you know me, I only do wigs. Wigs are just extensions. I can't do this. I can't do it. I'll never be able to do it. So this is just the outfit. We're gonna go. Do they know where we're going?
How about you tell them?
I thought you told them. Okay. We're going to the bar.
Gosh.
What is it? Bar karaoke. We're going to do a little karaoke for my little weekend birthday celebration. I don't know, just a little something. My purse is right here. Shirt is from H&M. Got a little makeup on there, but don't watch that. Jeans are from, can't really see them, but they're like wide foot, wide leg. Zara. This piece of bag is from Joe Fresh, guys. Honestly, I don't want to tell you guys. Joe Fresh is the maddest. I have my purse, my wallet, and everything's in there. Where she was? Sheba? I need to show you my filming. Sheba, hold on. Let me call her back because she's stressing me out. What's it called? My fragrance is from my
Your mom?
yeah, but that's from Miss Dior. Yes, guys, I don't know if it's too strong then hopefully it doesn't bust your brain. Have you tried this one before?
No.
This is from, I was gonna see where I got it from. Where did I get this from? Where did I get this? Christmas. Got this for Christmas, guys.
Bumbly.
Man. I haven't really used it. Like I have. I'm lying. Look, I haven't used it that much. I've probably squeezed about 4 sprays out of this. So I'm just gonna just do 2. But this is sitting strong. I bought another one. This is strong, right? Extremely strong.
Can you these lashes are not on. That's
But how do you put them on so clean like that nowadays?
It's not on. Oh, that smells good.
Smells good, eh?
Yeah.
It's fresh, strong,
It's so
grown,
sweet,
but not
though.
so. Yeah.
I hate.
Not so. Apparently, it's popular one. I don't know much about fragrance. The first thing I messed up on is my lip gloss. I have any lip gloss? That's a crisis.
Oh.
Oh my god. That's what Justin has to say now, because I don't know. Please.
Struggling to. Oh my gosh.
Okay. She got her lashes on, guys.
I don't know about this fit though.
She didn't just tell them what you're wearing.
This is from Pretty Little Thing. Everybody has this. These cheap pants are from Urban Planet. They're literally cheap. I probably got it for $10. Stuff from H&M. Oh, my hair's. I feel. I don't know. What jacket are you wearing? Are you wearing that?
Yeah, I don't.
Or you're not trying to be cute, right?
I don't have any jackets.
Oh no, what is this? Yeah, no. Okay. I'm not gonna even try to style, you know?
I need to do some tutorials of like makeup, seriously. I need to learn how to do makeup.
Okay, we're just gonna wear the regular jacket. This
G2G.
What about your sister?
What's sister Danica?
Yeah.
I did not respond back to her.
I don't know what that means. Like, is she coming?
I wouldn't presume so.
Oh.
7:06.
So,
I'm gonna call her back to see her. Probably feels guilty. Deidre. Yo. What's up?
I don't know what type of angle this is. Hopefully it's a good one. I'm like eating, driving, finally ready, but I didn't eat. And to go to the place where you're going, you have to buy shots. So I'm being a pig. Okay. What? Don't do that.
I didn't know that the other day. With Casamigos, it doesn't matter if you have silver or gold. They'll put you over the same way.
Hey! Whoa!
It's the freaking weekend,
Baby, I'm about to have me some fun. Hey! Good morning. It's 9:30, about to be 9:30. I have an appointment to ombre my eyebrows at 10. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm excited because my eyebrows have like no tail end. So that's why one day I was just on Instagram scrolling and I seen this girl's work. Someone posted her, someone I know, and her work looks really good. And it's not harsh and scary looking, which I'm afraid of. It's actually nice. So I'm gonna check it out. And it was a good price too. I just hope I like it. And yeah, I'm not gonna vlog because I'm not there yet. Maybe I'll get some clips, maybe I'll ask, I don't know. Sometimes I don't give a fuck type of energy, but I know, we'll see the vibe. And then I'll check in with you guys after. Numbing. Kind of nervous, but we'll see. Okay, kind of regretting I didn't do laundry because I'm lazy, but it's 9 o'clock and I feel like some steak and shrimp, so I'm gonna do that. I didn't even show you guys my brows. I love the shape. She did an amazing job on the shape. I just have to get used to, or I just have to wait till it fades. That's when I can actually see, because this looks crazy. But yeah, I feel like some steak and shrimp. I'm gonna get that started. And yeah, I went to grocery shopping a little earlier, and I'm still doing laundry, and I'm just gonna start cooking because I'm hungry. So okay, I'm washing the shrimp, whatever, getting the shrimp ready. The shrimp tasted amazing, by the way. I never knew adding lemon juice can I knew lemon juice kind of brings out a lot of flavor, but this made my shrimp taste like restaurant style. I loved it. The steak, on the other hand, I'm a bit rusty. My steak, you'll see, like, not how I wanted it. You know, goes, and I was looking at it, I'm like, the cast iron is way too hot. And then, boom, bun up. But it's whatever. My potatoes took 99 years to cook. And then, yeah. I'm gonna pour myself a drink. This something I just found in my mom's bar. Hopefully it's sweet. I feel for sweet. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be sweet, but freaking bruh. Mash up with this. Two. My hands are very dry too. Hopefully you guys can't see that. Doesn't smell sweet.
I love it. I love pictures. Okay, hold on. You. Let them know you know.
You're really showing your true colors.
Duh, bitch, duh. Hato?
Yeah, I don't know why you don't love me.
I'm in the camera, guys.
Guys, this is the third time I used the bathroom since I've been here. Sangria, that sangria is different. And I had like 2 glasses of hot water. But brunch is done. This was so fun. This restaurant is so cute. Breakfast was, I'm gonna go home tired. I'm gonna relax, you know, or enjoy the rest of my Sunday. I think it's like 3 o'clock now. Just relax for the rest of the evening, and yeah, see you when I get home.